Hi, everybody. I'm Jason Fox with John L. Scott Real Estate, and today I want to talk to you about the Seattle housing market update for July of 2022. And this month, more so than any other month in the past, we really are going to focus on what is happening with the data because you might be inundated with all of the things that the media is telling us: high interest rates, low number of showings. Is the bubble going to burst? Let's take a look at what the numbers have to show us. We're going to take a look at three key indicators to determine the true health of the Seattle housing market. The first thing that we like to look at is the percentage of new listings that go pending within the first 30 days. So we call this our sales activity intensity scale. This is the percentage of homes, like new listings that come on the market and they go under contract or kind of get sold within that first 30-day mark. So we had been up around like 90%, and we actually were kind of making up adjectives for what would to call that. So we would call it an uber frenzy market. Right now we're at 68.5%. That's considered a frenzy market. So that's still a very hot market. The next thing we want to look at is interest rates. This is where a lot of people are having some concern at 5.5%. One of the things to keep in mind is that pre-COVID, we were hovering around 3.75%. Now, when the stimulus packages hit and the Fed was reducing the rates considerably, the banks followed suit, and some people got in at these ridiculously low 2s and low 3s. And if you got in on that, congratulations. However, we really were more at that 3.75 to 4% rate. So 5.5% is actually a very historically solid interest rate. Now, the benefits of the interest rates going up is that we've also seen the inventory level go up, where we're sitting at 1.3 months of supply. So it's been quite a while since we've been over that month of inventory level. So being there is pretty good. So I guess the big question is what does this mean to you? If you're selling a house right now, we are seeing a little bit less showings. Obviously, we're not getting the 10 to 20 bids. So that premium pricing that we are all experiencing for the last year or so, that's kind of gone away. However, homes are selling still pretty quickly. As I mentioned, 68% are going off the market in the first 30 days, and we're getting good, solid offers. If you're buying, then we're seeing a lot more homes to tour. We're getting more time to tour them. We're not having to compete against multiple bids or maybe just one or two, and we're being able to keep most of our contingencies, not having to put these huge earnest money deposits down. All in all, it's a real normalizing of the market. And while we might have missed, getting that premium pricing as a seller or getting those ultra low interest rates as a buyer, the market is still really healthy. And this is your Seattle Housing Market Update Report.